In this video, I'm going to show you how to add watermarks to a video in Canva. First, add a text to the video. Just go to the text tab, then click add a text box button or choose default text styles from these options. For this video, I'll go with this one. After that, you can change the text, the font, and the color to whatever you want. For example, I've changed the text to watermark, changed the fonts to poppins, and changed the color to white. After that, you can adjust the size of the text like this. Then set the transparency by going up to the top toolbar and click this transparency option. Just drag the slider or type some numbers into this column to make the text as transparent as you want. If you want to make more than one watermarks, you can just copy and paste it like this. Click this three dots button, then click copy. Then click Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste it. Okay, now let's click this play button to see the final result. So that's how you can add watermark to a video in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.